Mutations. These small changes in our DNA are responsible for everything from evolution to certain diseases. But what exactly are mutations, and how do they affect our living world? In this video, we'll explore the different types of mutation and how they occur and their real-world impacts. So, at the most basic level, a mutation is a change in the nucleotide sequence of DNA. These sequences acts as instruction manual for building the proteins, which perform the vital function in our cells. When a mutation occurs, it can change how these instructions are read, leading to a variation in proteins. But not all mutations are created equal. Let's dive into different types of mutation and see how they affect the final product. The first type of mutation is called a point mutation, where a single nucleotide in the DNA sequence is replaced by another. There are three main types of point mutation. First, the silent mutation. This occurs when the change in the DNA does not affect the protein at all. For example, both GAA codon and GAG code for the amino acid glutamate. So the mutation doesn't change the outcome. Second, the missense mutation. Here, the change result in different amino acids being added to a protein. A classic example is the sickle cell anemia, where a different missense mutation changes one amino acid in the hemoglobin protein, leading to a serious health problem. Third one is the nonsense mutation. This is when the mutation creates a stop codon, causing the protein to stop being made prematurely. Imagine you are building the machine, and halfway through, you're told to stop. The incomplete protein is often non-functional. Another type of mutation involves adding or removing nucleotides, known as insertion and deletion. This mutation can have a much larger impact because they cause what's we call a frame shape mutation. Now, since the genetic code is read in set of three nucleotides, which what we call the codon, an insertion or deletion shifts the entire sequence by altering the code is read from that point onward. Imagine trying to read a sequence, you're trying to read a sentence, but you accidentally skip a letter or add an extra one. Now that changes everything. See, for example, we have the sentence, the cat ate the rat, and by altering it and adding an extra letter, it could become the ka tat et era t. See, now frame shape mutation usually result in a complete non-functional protein. A well-known example is the cystic fibrosis, where the deletion or just three nucleotides leads to a production of a faulty protein that affects the lung function. While point mutation and frame shape happen at the level of individual nucleotides, there are also mutations that affects the entire segments of chromosome. These are called the chromosomal mutation, and they can be much more drastic. We have first, there are four main types, or four most known, which is the deletion. A large section of chromosome is removed. Duplication, a section is repeated, and inversion, a segment is flipped around, and translocation, a part of two different chromosomes is swapped places. Now, for instance, in Down syndrome, an extra copy of chromosome 21 leads to a developmental changes. This is an example of chromosomal mutation called the trisomy. So what causes of this mutation? They can happen spontaneously during the DNA replication or being induced by environment factors like radiation or chemicals or even ultraviolet lights from the sun. So, mutation may sound like a bad thing, but they are the driving force behind the evolution. Without mutation, life wouldn't adapt or change over time. Some mutation give organism an advantage in their environment, leading to a new species. Other, as we've seen, can lead to a genetic diseases. Whether harmful or beneficial, mutation are natural part of life. They are constantly shaping the world around us, from the smallest microbes to the complex creature. So, the next time you hear the word mutation, remember, it's not just science fiction. It's a real process that affects all living things every single day. Remember that.